Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Dave, how was your morning today?
Pretty good, but I almost didn't get out of bed.
Oh, really? Were you tired?
Very tired. My alarm went off at 7. I turned it off, then I closed my eyes again.
Dave, how long did you sleep after that?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Okay, maybe 30 minutes.
So your alarm didn't really help.
It tried. I just didn't listen.
That's a common morning problem. What time did you finally get up?
Around 7:30. I looked at the clock and thought, oh no.
Were you late?
Almost. I got dressed very quickly.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, but it was a very simple breakfast.
What did you have?
Toast and eggs, and, of course, coffee.
Of course, you need your morning coffee.
I really do. Without coffee, I'm not fully awake.
How many cups do you usually have?
Just one in the morning.
Just one?
Maybe two.
I knew it.
The second one is for emergencies.
What kind of morning needs two coffees?
A Monday morning.
Fair enough. So, Dave, what's your favorite part of your morning?
First, I check the time. Then I drink some water. After that, I wash my face.
Do you check your phone?
Unfortunately, yes.
What do you check?
Messages. Sometimes the weather. Sometimes I check the news.
Does that take long?
Not usually, but sometimes I start looking at videos.
And then?
Then I forget about the time.
I know that feeling. Morning phone time can be dangerous.
Exactly. You think you're looking for one thing, then 20 minutes disappear.
That's why I try not to use my phone right after I wake up.
Really? What do you do instead?
I open the window. I get some fresh air. Then I make coffee.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. I don't like starting my morning in a hurry.
Me neither. When I rush in the morning, I feel stressed.
Exactly. A calm morning feels much better.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30.
6:30? That's early.
It gives me more time. I can get ready slowly.
I need to learn from you.
Maybe start by listening to your alarm.
That's probably a good idea.
What usually happens after breakfast?
I get dressed. Then I get my bag ready, and I check everything before I leave.
What do you always check?
My phone, my wallet, my keys, and my work bag.
Good. Have you ever forgotten something?
Yes. One morning, I forgot my keys.
Oh no. What did you do?
I noticed when I was already downstairs.
So you had to go back up?
Yeah, and I was already running late.
That must have been stressful.
It was. That's why now I check everything twice.
That's a good morning habit.
Yeah, but I still check my phone 3 times.
Some habits are harder to change.
Exactly.
So, Dave, what's your favorite part of your morning? So, Dave, what's your favorite part of your morning?
Probably breakfast.
Breakfast?
Yeah, I like having a little time to eat.
What makes breakfast special?
It's quiet. Nobody is asking me to do anything yet.
That's a good reason.
I can sit down, I can drink my coffee, and I can think about my day.
Do you usually eat at home?
Yes, I usually eat at the kitchen table.
Do you eat while using your phone?
Sometimes. I'm trying to stop doing that.
Why?
Because I want to enjoy my breakfast. I don't want to rush.
I agree. Eating slowly makes the morning feel calmer.
Exactly.
What do you usually do after breakfast?
I get ready for work. I take a shower, then I get dressed.
How long does that take?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Maybe 40.
Dave,
What?
you said 30.
I was being optimistic.
Fair enough.
Mornings take longer than I think.
I understand. Do you choose your clothes the night before?
Sometimes, when I'm really organized,
And when you're not organized?
I stand there and think, what am I going to wear?
That's why I choose my clothes before I go to bed.
That's smart. It saves time in the morning.
Exactly.
What about you? What do you usually do after you wake up?
I make my bed, then I open the curtains.
You make your bed every morning?
Almost every morning. It makes my room feel better.
I should probably start doing that.
You don't make your bed?
Not always.
Dave?
I know. I'm working on it.
At least you're honest.
After that, I usually make tea. Then I sit for a few minutes.
Do you like quiet mornings?
Yes, I really like quiet mornings.
Me too. I don't like a lot of noise right after I wake up.
Same here. I need some time to wake up slowly.
Exactly.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes, but not every day.
What do you usually do?
I stretch. Sometimes I take a short walk.
That sounds nice.
It helps me feel awake.
I should try that.
You could start with a short walk. You don't need a big workout.
True. Sometimes I think exercise has to be difficult.
It doesn't. Even a little movement is good.
That's a good point.
What about weekends? Is your morning different?
Very different. I sleep later.
How late?
Maybe 9.
That's not too late.
For me, it's late. Then I take my time. I make a bigger breakfast. Sometimes I go out for coffee.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I like slow weekend mornings.
Me too. Weekday mornings can feel rushed. Weekend mornings feel different.
Exactly. You don't have to look at the clock.
That's my favorite part.
Actually, there is one thing I always do on weekend mornings.
What is it? Actually, there is one thing I always do on weekend mornings.
What is it?
I make a nice breakfast, then I sit down and enjoy it.
What do you usually make?
Sometimes eggs and toast. Sometimes I make oatmeal.
That sounds good.
I also like having fresh fruit. It makes the morning feel special.
Do you cook every weekend?
Not every weekend. Sometimes I go out for breakfast.
Oh, nice. Where do you like going?
I like small cafes. They're usually quiet in the morning.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes. Sometimes I go with a friend.
I like going to cafes too, but I usually order coffee first.
Of course.
Coffee is important.
I think we've established that. What time do you usually leave home on a workday?
Around 8.
Do you drive?
Usually, yes.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
It depends on traffic. Sometimes it takes longer.
Do you listen to music in the car?
Yes, sometimes music, sometimes a podcast.
What kind of podcast?
Usually something funny. I like starting the day with a good mood.
That's smart. Do you ever listen to English?
Sometimes. I like listening to people talk when they speak clearly.
That's a good habit.
Yeah, it helps me get used to different ways people speak.
Exactly.
What time do you usually leave home?
Around 7:30.
That's earlier than me.
I like having extra time. I don't want to rush.
I really need to learn that.
You can start tomorrow.
I'll try.
Try waking up 10 minutes earlier.
10 minutes?
Yes, just 10 minutes.
Okay, that sounds possible.
Good. Small changes are easier.
Exactly.
Do you check your schedule before you leave?
Yes, I look at my calendar, then I check my messages.
Do you ever forget something important?
Sometimes, especially when I'm very tired.
What kind of things?
A meeting, an email. Sometimes I forget where I put something.
Keys?
Usually my keys.
Again?
They're very good at hiding.
Or maybe you just forget where you put them.
Maybe.
What helps you remember things?
I put everything in the same place. My keys, my wallet, my phone.
That's a good idea.
It makes mornings easier.
Exactly.
You know what I like about a good morning?
What?
When I don't feel rushed. I have breakfast, I get ready, and I leave home calmly.
I know what you mean. A calm morning can change the whole day.
Exactly.
Even a small morning routine can help you feel ready.
Yeah.
What's one morning habit you really want to improve?
Going to bed earlier.
That's a good one.
And listening to my alarm.
Definitely.
And maybe checking my phone less.
Now we're talking.
3 goals.
That's enough for one morning.
True, but there is one thing I definitely won't change.
What is that? What is it?
Coffee. I definitely won't change my morning coffee.
I knew you were going to say that.
It's part of my morning. Without it, I don't feel ready.
Fair enough. My morning coffee is important too, but I also like having a little quiet time.
What do you usually think about?
My day, what I need to do, and what I want to finish.
Do you make a plan every morning?
A simple one. I don't plan every minute. I just think about the important things.
That sounds better. Sometimes I make a very long list. Then I don't finish it.
That's why I keep my list short.
How short?
Maybe 3 important things.
Only 3?
3 good things are better than 10 unfinished things.
That's true. I should try that tomorrow.
You should. And maybe tomorrow you can wake up with your alarm.
Okay. I'll try.
I believe you.
Thanks. What do you think makes a good morning?
I think it's simple. Enough sleep, a little time, good food, and no rushing.
I agree.
And maybe some music.
Definitely.
What about you?
For me, it's coffee, a good breakfast, and a little quiet time.
Sounds good.
And if I have extra time, I like taking a short walk.
That's a nice routine.
Yeah, I think mornings feel better when you don't rush them.
Exactly. You don't need a perfect morning. You just need a comfortable one.
I like that.
So, Dave, what's one thing you'll do differently tomorrow?
I'll set my alarm earlier.
Good.
I'll put my phone away after I wake up.
Even better.
And I'll prepare my clothes tonight.
Wow, you're really changing.
Don't get too excited. Haha.
Okay, I'll check on you tomorrow.
Please don't.
Too late. But honestly, I think small changes can help.
I agree. A good morning doesn't have to be complicated.
Exactly. Wake up, take your time, eat something, get ready, and start the day calmly.
That sounds pretty good.
I'm glad we talked about mornings.
Me too. And now I know I need to sleep earlier tonight.
That's probably the most important thing.
Yeah, no late night videos.
That's a good start.
I'll try.
Sounds good. Take care, Dave.
You too, Cindy. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.